Winter isn't just cold, it's a battery assassin waiting in your driveway. If you're making these hidden mistakes, your EV is bleeding range before you even hit the start button. While you sleep, a chemical war is raging inside your battery pack. Range collapses, charge vanishes, and the repair bill? That's the plot twist you don't want. We've got 9 massive blunders backed by hard data that are destroying your efficiency. Are you guilty? Let's find out. Number 9. The cold soak. Leave your EV unplugged at -10 and you could wake up to 10% of your battery gone. Poof, vanished. The fix? Keep it tethered. Even a basic 120-volt granny charger works magic here. It pulls power from the grid, not your battery, to keep the internal thermal management running. Let your house pay the heating bill, not your range. It's the easiest hack to keep your electrons happy. Before we save you more money, smash that like and subscribe button. Keep your feed charged with Dravexa energy. Number 8. Fighting physics. This isn't just air, it's Gay-Lussac's law and it's stealing your mileage. For every 10 degrees the temp drops, your tire pressure loses 1 psi. That perfect 42 psi you set in October, it's a mushy 37 now. Soft tires mean drag. Drag kills efficiency. You're burning up to 2% range for every 5 psi you're missing. Don't trust the dashboard dummy light, it only screams when you're about to blow out. Check the door jamb, fill them up cold, and stop driving on squishy rubber. Number 7. The ice lock. This is the nightmare scenario. During the 22 bomb cyclone, drivers got stranded because melted snow seeped into their charge port latches and refroze like concrete overnight. Result? You can't plug in. You can't charge. You are stuck. Don't let a frozen latch turn your high-tech ride into a brick. The snap. That is the sound of your patience costing you $400. Frustrated owners force these frozen ports, and the plastic gears inside, they shatter. Snap. Gone. Warranty? Denied. If you're frozen out, put the screwdriver down. Do not, I repeat, do not pour hot water on it unless you want to destroy the electronics. Use a warm compress or hit the remote defrost in your app. Better yet, clear the snow before it turns to cement. Don't let a frozen latch brick your car. Number 6. The Chicago Trap. January 2024. The Chicago Freeze. Superchargers turned into graveyards of dead Teslas. Why? Because drivers rolled in with 10% battery and the cold killed the voltage. Here is the scary science. Cold spikes resistance. Under load, 10% charge flatlines to 0 instantly. The computer panics and locks you out to save the cells. You are stranded. No heat, no hope. The golden rule. In winter, 20% is your new 0. Treat that bottom 20% like it doesn't exist. You need that buffer just to wake the battery up so it can accept a charge. Number 5. The one-pedal betrayal. You love one-pedal driving. It feels like magic until it hits 50 degrees and the magic dies. Cold batteries reject energy, meaning your regen braking shuts off without warning. You lift your foot expecting to stop, and instead, you coast. Unchecked momentum. It gets worse. On black ice, strong regen can lock your wheels because the motor doesn't have ABS. You spin out. Game over. When the roads get icy, switch your brain back to analog. Use the friction pedal. Trust the caliper, not the motor. Number 4. The all-season lie. All-season tires? On an EV? That's a dangerous myth. Your EV is heavy. A Hummer EV weighs as much as 3 Honda Civics. That is a massive kinetic sled. Below 45 degrees, all-season rubber turns into a hockey puck. It slides. Winter tires with the 3 peak symbol stay soft and sticky, cutting your stopping distance by 40%. That is the difference between a close call and a wrecked front end. Don't cheap out on rubber. If you're loving these life-saving tips, make sure to like and subscribe to Dravexa right now. Don't let the algorithm freeze us out. Number 3. The charging crawl. Pull up to a supercharger with a cold battery and you're in for a long wait. At 32 degrees, charging slows down by 36% to protect the cells from lithium plating, permanent damage that ruins your range forever. The cheat code, your GPS isn't just for maps, it's a thermal trigger. Always navigate to the charger. This tells the car to preheat the battery while you drive, so it's warm and hungry for power the second you plug in. Save yourself 40 minutes of shivering in a parking lot. Just tap the screen. Number 2. The toaster trap. You freeze, you blast the heat. Bad move. Older EVs use PTC heaters, basically giant toasters that rip 5,000 watts straight from your battery. You're literally burning your range to stay warm. Compare that to your heated seats. They don't heat the air, they heat you. Direct conduction. They sip a tiny 100 watts while the cabin heater gulps down 3,000. That is a 20-fold difference. The strategy? Heat the body, not the box. Drop the cabin temp, crank the seat warmers, and keep your electrons for the highway. Unless you have the heat pump advantage. Newer EVs use this thermodynamic magic to move heat instead of creating it. It slashes energy use by 40%. If you have one, you're winning. If you don't, keep that heater dial low. Number 1. The cold start catastrophe. This is it, the single most destructive mistake you can make. Leaving your driveway with a cold battery isn't just inefficient, it's range suicide. AAA Labs ran the test and the results are terrifying. At 20 degrees, driving off cold deletes 41% of your range. Gone, instantly. Why? Because cold lithium ions swim through electrolyte like molasses. Your battery has to fight its own internal resistance and heat the cabin at the same time. You are fighting a war on two fronts, and you are losing. The ultimate cheat code: preconditioning. Stop wasting your battery to warm up. Use the grid. 20 minutes before you leave, while you are still plugged in, open your app and hit Start. You force the car to pull power from your house to heat the battery and melt the ice. You roll out with a warm pack and a full tank. It is the ultimate hack. Set a timer, plug in, don't let the winter steal the miles you paid for. The bottom line: here's the truth. Your EV isn't fragile, your habits are. Winter doesn't break electric cars, it exposes the flaws in how we use them. It punishes the ignorant and rewards the prepared. Don't be a rookie, respect the physics, master the machine. If you're ready to stop guessing and start driving the future, you know what to do. Smash that like, subscribe to Dravexa, ring the bell. We don't just drive the technology, we decode it. Stay warm, stay charged, and I'll see you in the next one.